Welcome back to Bloodline Bikers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to pair a Bluetooth headset, CARDO, Chinese headset, Senna, whatever it is you've got, to your Honda Africa Twin. Now, if any of you guys don't know, the Honda Africa Twin has become like the BMWs, the newer BMW Gen 5 and up, where they have the communication system inside the system. So therefore, it bridges your system automatically for your pillion and for you as the rider. This is something that a lot of people don't know how to do on the Africa Twin, but once you bridge it to your communication system, the CARDO is exceptional. And the way Honda's got this laid out is exactly like the BMWs have, that if you've got this connected and you're connected to a pack, for instance, because I've got 9 pack talks, every single one of my family members in my family that all ride, I bought them all pack talk edges. So we've all got pack talk edges. Now you can think how much that actually costs to buy all these. Many people can't even afford 2 of them, or some people not even 1. I've got 9 of them that I bought, and you think now, I was buying them when they were 260, they're now £350 each for these. But we've got them all linked, and the one thing my wife always has a problem with, and it's my wife's one linked because my one's already linked, is that when she has my daughter on the back who's a pillion, she's got the CARDO Spirit, she always has to bridge the intercom on her phone through the CARDO app. Now with the Honda's system, you don't have to do that. If you've got a pillion, it automatically links them in to your communication system on your group via the communication. This acts as the main network. This acts as the main hub. There's no need to use the CARDO app. This is your main hub for your CARDO and for everything you need to do. But a lot of people ain't aware of that. And it's the same on the BMWs. A lot of people think, oh, forget the system, it's a load of crap. But no, this actually acts as the main central hub for your CARDO. And not only that, when you're connected to Pack Talk, if you was to answer your phone, you'll be able to still speak to your group while taking a phone call. They'll be able to hear what you're saying on the phone, but they won't be able to hear the other person on the phone. But you can still hear them, so you never lose communication. Where if you're just using the CARDO system, when you make a phone call, you will lose all communication to your pack while on the intercom with all your leaders. Because remember, this connects up to 15 people in a group. So you've got to bear that in mind. So you do lose communication, where if you bridge it to the communication hub on these, you don't lose communication to the people in your group and the person on the phone. You're able to speak on the phone and still listen to what your pack's saying. And they can hear you speaking to them as well. That's the bonus about doing this. I'm going to be showing you how to set this up. Many people ain't aware how to set it up. I'll show you how to use the CARDO to use it, but it'll be the same for the Senna. It'll be the same for a lot of them. You just hold the Bluetooth button and I'll show you how to connect it on the Africa Twin, and I'll show you what comes up when you pair it. And also, you need to pair a Bluetooth headset in order to be able to use the Apple CarPlay, which I'll show you in a later video. Without a headset, it won't let you use the Apple CarPlay. So I'll just get on the bike and turn it on so you guys can see. And once it's on, we'll go into the settings so I can show you how to set it all up. Now it's quite easy. I'm going to use a touchscreen to this because I think a lot of people are going to want to use a touchscreen more than the controllers, because controllers can get quite confusing. Now, obviously, you've got to clear this message. You've got to wait for it to load. This is the longest part about the Honda. Their system does take a long time. Now, when you want to get into the system, you can just click up here. Into the time, you can go to settings. So we're going to headset pairing. Then we're going to PT Edge. And now it will connect, because now it detects a headset. You'll see right there, and there you go. PT Edge, but it's got it as the passenger, which that's not what we want, and that's connected as a rider. There we go. So you can see there now, the PT Edge is now being connected. You can see it's flashing all up, which means it's now been connected. Now, obviously I was meant to bring my daughter's one to be able to connect her as the pillion. I can do that at a later stage, but you get to see how you connect them up. That's how you connect CARDO to your Honda Africa Twin. You go into Bluetooth headset pairing. Phone pairing will be for your phone, so you'd pair your phone. You've got phone pairing and headset pairing. It's in Bluetooth settings. So you've got function, which you can see right there, and then you can do whatever you want. Yeah, so you can go into all of that. You've got your media, and as you can see, it asks you to connect your phone for the media to the device to play audio. So you can play audio through your headset and control your audio through here. In function, you'll find all this. Too sure. In Bluetooth, there you go. There's Bluetooth in settings, and you've got it all there. So that's where everything you need to do. You just go into, obviously, settings, go into Bluetooth, and then you can connect everything up, and you can see this CARDO is fully functional now. You can see it up here with the headset symbol, which if you click it, I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure if it takes you to it. Pretty sure if we click this, it takes you back to there. If we click the headset button, but yeah, you get an idea of how it all works, guys. It shows headset pairing. Then what will happen with that is when you've got a passenger connected, it will then say 2 next to it as well for your pillion, and that's how you connect a headset, any headset. This ain't just for CARDO. This is for any Bluetooth headset to connect to your Africa Twin system. This is how you connect it, guys, and there's one of them connected. Probably do more showing you how to connect pillion and Apple CarPlay and this, that, the other later on, but that gives you an idea of how you connect a Bluetooth headset to to your Honda Africa Twin. So there you are, guys. I've now shown you how to connect a Bluetooth headset to your Honda Africa Twin. And as I said, it isn't just for CARDO. I know people are going to say, oh, Scott, it's only for CARDO. No, it ain't. All Bluetooth headsets will work, and it doesn't matter if you've got a pillion as well, you can connect their headset to it. It doesn't matter what your pillion's got. So even if you pick up someone that isn't a family member, they don't have that, you can connect them to be able to talk to them. It uses that as the communication hub, the main hub to connect you all, and to connect your music, to connect your phone. It's a very, very intelligent system that Honda actually put in there. It's all designed for touring. You've got to remember, if you're touring and you've got a pillion, you're going to want to stay connected to that main central hub at all times, so it keeps your connection stable at all times and doesn't interfere with others or anything alike. So it's a very, very good system, and there you go, guys. I've now shown you how to operate, and I hope you guys actually found this video useful. If you have, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please make sure to like this video, and obviously I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.